my dear.
Deer Park. So, deer sa Ingles, isa in Tagalog and Binaw sa Bisaya po. So, as you can see po, yung mga deer dito, medyo maliliit sila, medyo dark brown. Kasi
Pero may sungay din sila.
Malnourished.
Kung may sungay po, yan po ay lalaki. Kung walang sungay, yan po ay babae.
Talaga lalaki, may sungay, no?
So here in Italy, we only started with one
No
male,
comment.
one male and one female. And now we have more than
No comment
30
ako.
females here. So pinaparami natin yung
Wala ka na rin
they are
reward.
now considered as a release. Hindi lang sila masyadong cute no kasi nagkakamuflage yung mga color guard.
Mas marami ako guys, kaysa sa girl.
Yung karamihan po sa kanila nasa may fishing na area kasi doon po yung mas maraming pagkain.
Ito yung ano.
Giant food. We also have here our hydroponic greenhouses. That's on your right side. Yeah, so hydro means water, ponic means bird. Again, so that is our district lettuce. So it is Silas way of planting that uses its water to provide the vegetables with nutrients. And then coconut husk or bunot going into powder form are used to hold the root. So from planting, it will take 35 days before harvest. So yan po yung kakainin niyo sa buffet.
Wow, ang ganda.
We
Oh.
also grow here romaine, Brazilian
Wow.
lettuce, salad tomato, Japanese cucumber, basil, parsley, and
Siguro
celery.
pwede na yun.
Pwede na sa atin yan, urban gardening, oh.
And also sa our selection supermarket. May nakalagay ng Eden Steel sa mga SM, yung motor yun, ito po yun sa amin.
Ah, pako, pako, ayan pako. Pako.
Sold out na siya.
Sold out na. Ubus na.
Good for 2 to 3
Ito, ano to?
Across the road on your left, our holiday carousel, good for 7 hours.
Kung sana si Eva.
Maluwang pala siya.
So one of our function halls. Then to your left side, our mangosteen orchard. Which
Wow, ayan pala yung puno ng mangustin.
On your left side po, yes, our mangosteen.
Ganda na siya nga. Parang Christmas tree.
Ang ganda.
You might observe po yung mangosteen.
Yan talaga, yan talaga siya.
Bungan yan. Kasi alternate po yan. Pag maraming bunga last year, possible next year, konti na po yun.
Restricted area.
So,
Wow.
ngayon po, makita kayo mga
Wow, mga bulaklak.
Pero yung peak season po yun, August up to December. Our native
Wow.
Syrian tree on our park.
Kakao, kakao.
We're now entering to our first stop, the flower garden.
Ayun, oh.
So mostly
Pwede, pwede.
our local and
Garden.
And the same one is the to the same.
Rainbow. Wow.
Okay, so we will be stopping here for 5 minutes for roaming around and taking pictures. And reminder lang po sa lahat, please refrain yourself from taking the plants and flowers po. So that's for your eyes on. Okay, ma'am.
Wow,
So,
ang ganda
picture
nun, ah.
muna kayo if you want for picture. Dito tayo sa rainbow muna. Garo lang ako ng isang cellphone. Tag-share na lang tayo sa Facebook para maayos yung photo-pictures. And careful when you go there. Group picture, then after, pwede na kayo magkanya-kanya. If you want na.
Okay,
Yeah.